Well, take photo with baby brother. Come on. Take picture. Take picture.
What?
Sarlan na ka ng picture eh. Inila.
Sit over here. Babe, sit over here.
Yeah, I sent it to her.
He said.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
are you
Ali, doon na
watching?
kayo. You and Grandpa and the baby sit next to him. Come on.
Okay, sit on the bed. I'll get the baby.
Come on.
Oh, baby brother had present for you too, Gianluca. There, the bear and the bracelet.
Oh.
Yeah.
It says Big Brother.
Everybody gets a bracelet. One for
Help
Brandon
me.
and one for Luca. There you go.
Come on, let's put them on you. Let me see, let me see. Come, Brandon. May na kayo, Dad?
Okay,
Thanks
Kaya
for
kung
you wanna put down your
mawalag-walag mo
cupcakes?
po, pagising daw.
Baby brother.
What's that
It
for?
says Baby Brother.
What's that for?
It says you're the Big Brothers.
The big brother.
What about you, Luca? Let me put it on.
But I don't have a hat. Mom, why is still there?
Huh?
Why is
No
it
touching,
still-
Brandon, no touching.
There you
Why is he not
go.
waking up?
See, you guys are Big Brothers.
Why did he not waking up?
Because he's still asleep. He's tired.
Tutkila rin